How to apply for food stamps online in California 2025 step by step. Most people get applying for food stamps wrong by thinking it's complicated or slow. In California, the program is called CalFresh, and applying online in 2025 is straightforward. Step 1. Visit the official CalFresh website or the Your Benefits Know portal. You won't believe what happens next. You can create an account and start your application immediately. Step 2. Complete the application form with personal information, income, household size, and expenses. Accuracy is key to avoid delays. Step 3. Upload supporting documents, such as proof of income, ID, and residency. The surprising truth is that digital uploads speed up approval compared to mailing documents. Step 4. Schedule an interview. Most applications require a phone or video interview with a county eligibility worker. Step 5. Wait for approval notification. If approved, you'll receive an EPT card to access your benefits. Check your account regularly for updates. In conclusion, applying for food stamps online in California in 2025 is easier than many think. By following these steps carefully and providing accurate information, you can access CalFresh benefits quickly and securely.